What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see in the title, I have some coffee to share with y'all today. Y'all know that I love coffee and I do share my coffees with y'all. So I was super happy when this company reached out to me to try their coffee because I've seen them on TikTok and I had been wanting to try their coffee ever since I seen it. And I also came across them on Amazon too, but it is called JAVY, if I'm not mistaken, coffee. And it's a concentrate. So we're going to get it open and I'm going to make a cup and give it a little taste and see how it is and let you guys know what I think. Alright, you guys, I'm going to open this up. Coffee. Oh, something else in here. Nice bubble wrap. Let's do a little ASMR. Alright, let's see what else I got. I like this little bag. It says JAVY. Drawstring. Oh, nice. I got some reusable straws. That's great because I got a new coffee cup, so this will be perfect. My cup and a little cleaner to clean the straw with. They're gold. All right, you guys, so here's what the bottle of Hobby Coffee looks like. And this is just the regular flavor. It's 100% Arabica, Artisian roasted, and you get 30 servings in just this one bottle. So you can make 30 cups of coffee from just this one bottle. So it's really good. And see, it says all you have to do is take 1 to 2 teaspoons of Microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So you can mix it with water or you can mix it with milk, and you can add your creamer, whatever it is you like to add to it, stir it up and drink. You can drink it hot, you can drink it cold. And so that's what I like about it, because I'm mostly a iced coffee drinker, so I'll probably mostly be drinking it cold. But my husband, he likes hot coffee, so if he'd like to try it, he can drink it hot. And then on them super cold days, if I want a hot cup of coffee, I can make a hot cup of coffee too. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it open and make a cup. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what it tastes like. I don't want to break a nail, you guys, so I'm using my little cuticle tool to open stuff. All right, y'all. So it says once Hobby Coffee is open, it is good for 4 to 6 weeks refrigerated. So I need, I think, 2 teaspoons. Take 1 to 2. I'm going to do 2 because a teaspoon, it seems so little, like just really small amount. So I'm gonna do 2. I have my little 8 ounces of water here ready, and my new cute cup that I recently got from, I think the company's called, well, I got it from Rainbow, but the cup is by Weston Fifth. You can find them on Instagram, but this is so cute. So my new coffee cup, I am going to go ahead and add the coffee first. y'all. So I have it all mixed up with all my fixings. I like my coffee sweet, so I added sugar, added a little bit of salted caramel syrup, my caramel, the thicker syrup. I put some on the inside and inside of my cup. Got it all nice and stirred up. So now I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. I also have ice in it. It's not bad, but I like it sweet, so I would put a little more sugar. I know it probably is a lot because I did use 2 tablespoons. I'd put a little bit more. Other than that, it's good. I would drink this every day. And they do have it in different flavors. They have it in caramel and French vanilla. So I would like to try the caramel because my favorite kind of iced coffee is caramel iced coffee. As y'all can see, I added all that caramel. So I would like to try the caramel, but this is good. There is no added sugars in this either. It's just coffee, just made from straight coffee and like water. So there's no like harmful, you know, additives and stuff in it. So if you don't like any sugar, you can for sure drink it straight, or if you like sugar, throw some sugar in with it. I really do like that it's a concentrate because that makes it stretch longer, especially if you drink coffee every day or more than once a day. It's good to have a nice concentrate, and it makes 30 servings, so that's a plus. But so yeah, I'm definitely going to drink this for the rest of the week and see what I think about it as far as like if it gives me more energy. You know, with it being a concentrate does have more caffeine in it than a regular iced coffee does. So I'm hoping that that helps me with getting some more energy. So that's another reason I like it as a concentrate, because it's just a bit stronger than regular coffee. So yeah, I'm going to try it out the rest of the week and see what I think. And if you guys want to give JAVY coffee concentrate a try, I'll leave the link to where you guys can find them in my description box. It's very simple. You can see it's right here on the bottle. JAVYcoffee.com. That's it. Go to JAVYcoffee.com and you guys can find them there. And yeah, this was nice. So I was glad I was able to try it. But yes, the information will be in the description box. And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my JAVY Microdose Coffee Concentrate unboxing, review, and tasting. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and turn on notifications so you guys can stay tuned. I'll give you guys some updates on this too. I'll post a couple shorts and let you guys know how it's going with this. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.